Mrs. Hilt had $4,000 in her savings account. She earned 10% interest each year. Okay. If she left that money in the account for 1 year, how much will she have in the account at the end of that year? Now, first, this depends on what we call interest. Do you know what interest is? So interest is when money builds over time.
Wait, like you're interested in something?
Yeah, close. So that's a different interest. But like when money builds over time, it builds interest. You get more money than what you put in.
So it's like savings.
It's a savings. Exactly. So in this case, we have to depend on this formula, okay? And that is the interest that's made is just the starting amount. We're gonna use a P for that, okay? Times the rate. We're gonna put it as a decimal, okay? And then times the time, okay? The time, how many years it is. All right. So for this one, let me know. Okay. Well, I want to find out how much interest is being built. What's the starting amount? How much did Mrs. Hilt have in her savings account?
$4,000.
$4,000. That's the P. 4,000 times. Okay. Okay. What's the rate here?
10%.
10%. Now, if I put that as a decimal, that's what?
0.10.
Okay. 0.10. Okay. 0.10.
AKA 1/10.
1/10. There we go. Yes. And then what's the time here for this one?
The time each year.
Okay. Each year for how many years?
1 year?
Okay, 1 year. Okay, got it. So we're going to put 1 right there. Okay. So our goal is to multiply these. So really we're multiplying 4,000, right? Times 0.10. Now how do I multiply these? We're going to put 2 decimal places at the end. I'll do 4,000 times 10.
4,000 times 10?
Yeah.
40,000.
Oh, okay, it's just 40,000. Okay, 40,000. Okay. But then I have 2 decimal places. So just move the 2 decimal places. So, see, it's 2, so just move it 2 over. And that's what?
400?
$400.
So the answer is 400.
Not quite. So the 400 is the interest amount, okay? But it says how much is in her account at the end
Of that year.
of that year. So she started with $4,000. She got interest of $400. So how much altogether does she have in the account?
4,400?
4,400. Yes. Okay. So that would be the actual amount in her account.